How to export a registry key in Windows. The Windows Registry is a centralized hierarchical database that is used by Windows to store system settings, hardware configurations, and user preferences. The Windows Registry can be explored by using a program called the Windows Registry Editor. But modifying the wrong key could cause your computer to not boot properly. So it is advised to only use it as necessary. More detailed information about the Windows Registry can be found in our Demystifying the Windows Registry article. When making a change to the registry, it is recommended that you first create an export of the entries that you are about to modify. This allows you to save the information to a registry file, or .reg file, so that if a problem occurs you can import the original settings back into the registry. If you need to import the data back into the registry, and overwrite any existing settings that it corresponds to, you would simply double-click on the registry file and allow the changes to be merged when Windows prompts you. For most people, the easiest method to export a registry key is to use the Windows Registry Editor. The Windows Registry Editor, otherwise known as regedit.x, is a graphical tool that allows you to modify the Windows registry. To open the Registry Editor, type regedit in the Start menu search field as shown below and then select Registry Editor. When the Registry Editor opens, navigate to the key that you would like to export. In our example, we are going to export the HKEY local machine, system, current control set, control, session manager, memory management key. Windows will now prompt you for a location and file name that you wish to save the registry information. Please select the location, enter a file name, and press the Save button. After saving the registry file, you will see a file ending with the .reg extension at the location you saved it to. Windows includes the reg.x program that can be used to manipulate the Windows registry from the command line. In order to use this tool, you will need to open an elevated command prompt. Once an elevated command prompt is open, you can use the reg.x command to export a registry key using the following syntax. For example, to export the reg export HKEY local machine, system, current control set, control, session manager, memory management to the test.reg file, you would use the following command. Reg export HKEY local machine, system, current control set, control, session manager, memory management test.reg. Please note, when entering the registry key to export, we enclosed it in quotes because there was a space in the key name. Once the command is executed, a file will be created, which in our case is test.reg, that contains the exported registry key. With the release of the Windows 10 May 2019 update, Microsoft introduced a new security feature called Tamper Protection that protects security settings for Windows Defender antivirus from being disabled by malware or third-party programs. When using Windows 10, you may find that the Windows desktop has frozen and you can no longer use the Start menu. Click on Programs, drag files, or switch between windows. When this happens, it may be caused by the Windows Explorer or Explorer.x process having issues and can typically be fixed by restarting it. Windows 7 hides certain files so that they are not able to be seen when you exploring the files on your computer. The files it hides are typically Windows 7 system files that if tampered with could cause problems with the proper operation of the computer. It is possible, though, for a user or piece of software to make a file hidden by enabling the hidden attribute in a particular file, or if you are not able to connect to a particular site and its IP addresses is not resolving properly. It could be a problem with the DNS servers that you are connecting to or an incorrect DNS entry cached in the Windows DNS cache. This tutorial will explain how to flush your DNS cache to see if it fixes a problem connecting to a site. By default, Windows hides certain files from being seen with Windows Explorer or My Computer. This is done to protect these files, which are usually system files, from accidentally being modified or deleted by the user. Unfortunately, viruses, spyware, and hijackers often hide their files in this way, making it hard to find them and then delete them. VMDR Vulnerability Management. Detection and response, discover, assess, prioritize, and patch critical vulnerabilities in real time and across your global hybrid IT landscape, all from a single solution. Text source: bleepingcomputer.com.